Hello friends. Since the March 2020 pandemic, the global central banks pumped in a lot of liquidity into the markets to ensure that the pandemic does not end up becoming an economic crisis. However, with the easy liquidity and money coming into the system, the interest rates both in the global world as well as in India have come down significantly. Many investors are looking at investment avenues to invest their surplus money. And with that thought process in mind, we are happy to bring to you this debt index fund. The debt index fund is a very novel concept. It provides investors with the transparency because you would know exactly where your money gets invested. In the instant case, we have the state development loans, 20 securities, and 8 securities from the PSUs. Put together, they will provide to you a diversified investment in the debt space, and the index fund will try to replicate it to the extent possible. From a taxation perspective as well, the debt index fund provides you with an advantage because you basically hold till maturity till 2027 September. You will get the advantage of indexation, and on indexed capital gains, you will have to pay only 20%. So this is one more advantage of the debt index fund. The maturity is known to you, like I said, it is September 2027. Which essentially means that for the next 6 years, you have an investment avenue where you can hold till maturity and keep your money. And from a overall investment experience perspective, we believe that for most investors, this is a very good suited investment in the debt space. The world in which we live is uncertain. You may need the money at any point of time, and that is also an added feature of the debt index fund. You can actually redeem your money or take out your money as and when you feel without any lock-in. Also, in general, the state development loans have an interest rate which is slightly higher than what you would get in the highest quality papers which are available in the market right now, which also gives you that added advantage of a slightly higher interest rate accruing to your investment portfolio. And the most important aspect, with whatever has happened in the world in the last 5-6 years, we are all worried that our money can get lost. There can be companies which can basically go down under. And from a risk perspective, if we look at it, this product brings to you the state development loans and the PSUs, which have very low chance of basically either getting downgraded or losing their value. And hence, from a quality perspective also, it's a very good fit into your overall investment within the debt space. So friends, in summary, if we look at it, at a time when we are looking at investment avenues where we get slightly higher interest rates, where we get safety also built into it, where there is a tax efficient way of investing, and also, and most important, there is no lock-in. We believe the debt index fund is a very good fit to your overall portfolio. And if your overall portfolio allocation does allow you, you may want to invest in the NFO. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.